Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm right outside of Dollar Tree. So Father's Day is just a few days away. So I thought I would go in and see if I could come up with a few gift ideas for Father's Day for right around $5. So let's go shopping. So let's start off with option number one, the gift for the dad who loves to take good care of his car, or maybe the dad who needs to take a little bit better care of his car. This is one of my favorite things. I keep one in my car. It's collapsible and it's a great little duster when you're sitting there waiting on kids to get out of activities. They also have these miniature little trash cans that fit right in your cup holders. Tons of options for air fresheners. And another one of my little favorites, this is actually in the housekeeping area and it makes a great little car cleaner. Now the bucket is optional. You could pile everything in it or just put everything in a bag. Option number two is for the gym dad. So many dads hit the gym on their way to work or on their way home, and I thought it would be a great idea to find a 3-in-1 body wash and shampoo and conditioner and a little deodorant to stick in their bag, as well as maybe a sports drink, Powerade, or maybe even just a large water bottle. Now, if your dad is getting ready at the gym to go to work, I thought these little lint rollers would be a nice little present to add to the gym bag. You could also add a little face towel for those sweaty workouts. I think any gym dad would love this gift. Now, this is for Mr. Fix-It. Wink, wink. Some dads can fix anything. Some dads think they can fix anything. So this is kind of a tongue-in-cheek present. Now, Dollar Tree has tons of little tools. This is a combo Allen wrench of different sizes, a utility knife. I thought this one was pretty cool. It comes with all kinds of replacements. And sometimes you just need a little bit of help. So I thought super glue would be funny, as well as my dad's favorite, duct tape. Now you can also get one of these miniature toolboxes at the Dollar Tree and put all your gifts inside of it, and it's one of the gift items as well. Now, how many dads out there work in an office? I wanted to do something for the dads who have desk jobs, and I thought one of these little coffee holders would be a good little gift, along with a little desk organizer for pens and such. Dollar Tree does have those and a few different ones right now. These are definitely new here at Dollar Tree. These look like some pretty nice pens, and you can always use more pens in an office. I thought a little area to take notes would be a good idea, and Post-its. This is a good deal. You get 200 of different colored Post-its for just $1. Now, I drink coffee, and if I was heading into a meeting, I'd want to have a mint. I think that would be a great little thing to put in your desk and have on hand. Now we're going to talk about the entertainment dad. Whether it's playing video games or watching movies, I think you could put together a cute little gift for the dad in your life using Dollar Tree items. They have some really cute little popcorn bins. You can get popcorn that is already popped or in microwavable form. You can get a few treats like M&Ms or licorice, and movies. Dollar Tree does have out quite a few movies right now, and I will show a clip at the end of some other options. Now, if you have a gamer in your life, you may want to swap out an item in here for some batteries for his controller and maybe a drink like Mountain Dew or Red Bull, because gamers tend to like those. Okay, now don't forget your cards when you head into the Dollar Tree. I have not seen any of the handmade cards at my Dollar Tree, but they're a really good price. You get 2 for $1. They also have out some really nice bags for Father's Day. It's good to see them not forget about this side of the gift giving. These are good buy for just $1, and they have them in a few different themes, from camping to tools. I'll even show you one here in a second that is a cooler. Make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to give you a quick way to upgrade some of your Dollar Tree gifts for the dad in your life. Here is the other bag. I found it on an end cap. It is a little cooler, and the little tags are so cute. They all coordinate with the bag they go with. They have out a couple of trophies, just different little sayings. Number 1 dad, best dad, world's greatest dad, just some little novelty items. They also have some frames that would be a great gift for dad to pop a picture of you and him in. I did find them in a few different versions. Now, if you can't find these specific ones, remember Dollar Tree has a frame section, and I'm sure you'll find something there you can use. They also have out little gift boxes that are definitely for Father's Day, shaped in things like coolers and little toolboxes. They are really cute. I also found one other frame way at the back, just wanted to show you. Now, like I said, if you have a dad with an office job, they do have lots of different coffee mugs to choose from. If you can't find these, always look on their dish aisle. They have a ton of different mugs and cups for coffee. I also found these little plaques: Grandpa's House Rules, Man Cave Rules, Dad's Fishing Rules, and Dad's Garage Rules. Now let's head over to the automotive and sort of tool area of Dollar Tree. I've noticed right now they have out quite a few air fresheners if you're going to do a car theme. You should be able to find these as well. They are wood fillers. They have them in 2 different versions. That's the natural. This Dollar Tree got in a big shipment of Armor All items. They're miniature in size, but would again make a great little gift grouped together. Here are some more ideas for car air fresheners. Now, some of these, like I said, are brand name. Some of them are more of Dollar Tree brands, but I was able to find this by Glade, which is a little car sachet, and I even found auto shades. Now, this one would be appropriate for dad with the palm trees. It's kind of neutral. But they had a ton of the pink leopard. I mean, if you want to get a giggle out of dad, you may want to get him one of those. They also have these small window shades. They're little clings that just help keep the sun out of the car. They also have some sprayable air fresheners for the car, some goof off. So this one is an oil and grease remover. They also have a red wine and Kool-Aid remover. I'm finding even more air fresheners. Now, I'm not sure how much something like that would cost at Walmart. If you know, please let me know down below. Also, I found these Glade oil plugins for a automobile. Problem is they didn't have the thing you plug it into. They also have this wood filler, which is stainable. It's different than the other one, a little bit lighter in color. I found a few fun little tools over here in this area. An 8-in-1 knife. And they definitely have out things for the dad who likes to grill or cook. They have out little corn trays, spatulas, all kinds of goodies for the barbecue. Now, if you do have a dad who likes to cook, you might want to put together a few items in a basket like salsa, barbecue sauce, things for the outdoor grilling season. I was really surprised by how many brand names they had. A1 and Pace. They also have Heinz, hot and spicy sauce. They do have a lot of the Dollar Tree brand seasonings and rubs. Things like Memphis barbecue rub, and of course the normal things like seasoning salt, ketchup, mustard. They also have out this themed set of towels and pot holders. And here is some of the movies I found at this Dollar Tree. So there are a good variety out. You can definitely find one here. Now, if you wanted to do something a little bit bigger for Dad for Father's Day, I want to go back over the gifts I shared at the beginning and tell you how you could upgrade them. So first, the entertainment dad, you could get a gift card to GameStop or some movie tickets to add to your gift. For the desk job, you could always get a back support or maybe a really nice mouse pad with a wrist support. For the car enthusiast, you could always make Dad a coupon for a free car wash and get out there and do it for him. For the Mr. Fix-It in your life, a gift card to Home Depot or maybe Lowe's would be a great addition. And for the gym dad, I thought it would be a great idea to get him a new pair of gym shorts or maybe some workout clothes. I hope I gave you a few ideas and you have a wonderful Father's Day. Thanks for watching.